So these are my audience, and these are my note cards. So have you ever seen the horrific car crashes on the news? Well, in the 20th century, many of those crashes have been due to irresponsible drunk drivers that are in their 20s. Something they have in common is that they all started drinking at a very young age. Today, I will persuade you to the idea that we should move the drinking age from 20 to 25. As 21-year-olds are very immature, irresponsible, and as a result can cause crashes. We should have the right to have fun at 21, but to an extent, as many 21-year-olds are very immature and can do dumb things, such as reckless drunk driving. And 25-year-olds have more life experiences, are more mature, and understand that drinking and driving should be avoided. To start, I find it very frustrating that some individuals believe it's cool to drink as they believe they can impress their friends. Many of them do it because of peer pressure or because it makes them feel accepted. And I believe this is very foolish, because it can lead to very dumb decisions, such as the ones drinking and driving, and as a result, it can cause many fatalities to themselves and others. Today, I will talk about the accidents that drunk drivers cause, how the brain is not fully developed at age 21, and how drinking can lead to long-term health effects. Okay, to start, how many accidents are due to drunk driving? According to Luz Lucero's article, number of people killed by drunk drivers increased in DC region even after crashes decreased. In the article, one third of those crashes was caused by drunk drivers. This shows how alcohol can lead to many irresponsible decisions that can cause fatalities. In this graph, we can see how many deaths have been caused by drunk driving to the driver, to the passenger, and to motorcyclists. Okay. Also, according to the same article, alcohol-related fatalities increased, which means this led to more deaths of people. And I believe to address this issue, we need to change the legal drinking age to 25. Next, when does the brain finish developing? The brain finishes developing. Many believe that the brain finishes developing at age 18. And at 21, they should have the privilege to drink and have fun. But according to Jacqueline Herrera's article, you're an adult, but your brain might not. Expert says neuroscientists believe that the brain finishes developing past the age 21 and is not fully developed. It is not fully developed by that time. In this image, we can see how at age 5 the brain is still not fully developed how it reaches age 25. You can see in this picture. A prime example is when an individual shouldn't be given the privilege to drink and drive at 21. Since the brain is not fully developed, this could lead to very irrational and irresponsible decisions, and as a result, it can cause many fatalities. Lastly, what are the health effects of alcohol? From the brain to vital organs we need for survival. According to the article, even modern alcohol intake may affect brain function. Studies have shown that men and women who take 10 pints of beer or 11 glasses of wine, 11 glasses of wine may suffer from hippocampus shrinkage, which, as a result, it can cause memory loss. And this is a healthy brain, and whenever they start drinking and the hippocampus shrinks, it could cause Alzheimer's, and that means they start losing their memory. Also, according to Tim Hings and David Chim's article, controlling alcohol grabbage health problems. Alcohol can cause cancer in the oral cavities, esophagus, and liver. As a result, we can see how it can affect individuals in many ways, from the hippocampus shrinkage to cancer. This is why it is crucial to prevent young adults who drink at a very young age, like 21, as it could lead to more health problems at a younger age. In conclusion, today I discussed how drinking and driving can cause fatalities, and this reminds us of how serious of an issue this is in our society today, as more and more people drive under the influence. In today's speech, I explained why the brain is not fully developed at 21 and is being matured beyond that, how many of those crashes have been caused by drunk drivers, and how many cause fatalities. I also went over the health effects of drinking, such as the shrinkage of the hippocampus that can cause memory loss, and the cancer it could causes, like the liver cancer in the vital organs. Lastly, I see this as a crucial problem in our society, as more individuals drink and drive just because it seems cool and worth bragging about, for popularity, to gain acceptance and friendships. That is why I firmly believe that we should raise the legal drinking age to 25. Thank you for your time.